Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators. Today I'm going to talk about the subject, trading is an art or a science. This subject has been debated over whether trading is an art or a science, have been going on for a long time. Defining which aspect of trading fall into its category can be a challenging task. Today I'm going to show you how we are seeing and using the chart pattern in technical analysis to demonstrate the art and the science of trading. As you know, trading involves analyzing data and using a technical indicator. There is also a significant artistic component involved. Successful traders require creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence, which cannot be taught through mathematical models or textbooks. Even professors in the elite university cannot teach you how to trade. For instance, traders must possess the ability to read the market sentiment, interpret news and events, and make quick decisions based on their instinct and experience. Additionally, they need to manage their emotion and control their impulse in the face of uncertainty and volatility. Moreover, each trader has a unique trading style and personality to analyze the chart. Similar to the artist's signature technique, successful trading requires both technical skill and creativity, which cannot be standardized. In summary, we can say that trading is both an art and a science. Fundamentally, and technical analysis and trading decisions are considered an art, while technical aspects of trading can be taught as a science. Interpreting the market dynamics, managing emotion, and developing a personal style require creativity and intuition. The skill required to become more successful trader must be developed and practiced until they become a habit and turn your habit into an art of trading. Lastly, risk management, including defining entry, target, and stop loss, by using the market psychology and probability tool are considered to be a science. As you know, trading is a very dangerous play without a right education. That's where the expert trader code from Stock Navigator come in. This code we designed to provide you with education you need to become a successful day trader or stock investor based on your specific trading objective. You will have access to 24-hour community support for learning and trading, as well as the day live trading, daily market recap, and mentoring session. Our goal is to train, mentor, and empower our students to operate independently with confidence and navigating the market. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Take a next step and watch our free webinar by clicking a link on the description below. So now let me show you how we analyze the chart as the Stock Navigator by using technical analysis like the chart pattern, so you can see an art and the science of the trading. So if you look at the chart in front of you here, this is the E-mini SB 500 chart, 60-minute chart. So I'm going to look at this chart, and then I will analyze this chart since beginning of March until now, so that you can see how the chart is telling you. That's why we say, and you can see how the art and the science of the trading that involved with the chart. If you don't know how to read the chart, it's very difficult for you to tell. Doesn't matter what you do. So this is the chart of the 60-minute chart of the E-mini SB 500. So I will start from beginning of the March, somewhere around here. Okay, I will analyze to see how the chart doing by using a chart pattern, so that we can predict the entry and the target and the stop loss. All right, so as you can see here, at beginning of the March of year 2023, the market came back down, and after they go back up, and you can see that the chart shoot back up right into the sell zone, they pull back down. So there's a lot of chart pattern that you can follow. The first one is the group of traders. They will consider this one is the first, put it back up, and then they make a flat pattern. And after they make a flat pattern, so they can start looking for the entry. So if you're looking for this one here, so the market put it back up, they pull back down, and then they will try to go sideways and make a flag, right? And if you can take this flag here, and then I can make it, I can show you how the, okay, so the market, they pull back down, they come back up. So when they break the flag here, so the people that love the flag pattern, so they can take the distance from here to here, and then they can predict where is the next leg they're supposed to go into. So you can see that by using the tension from this leg to this leg. The first group of people, they love to trade the flag pattern. You can see they get entry here, the top lot here, and the target going here. So they took a profit right here at the target. So that's the first group of people. They will come here, they will take the profit. But if you look at the chart more carefully, you can see that the chart also create another pattern. From this high here, go back here, they make another pattern. It's like a cup with handle. So for the second group, they believe this one is a cup with handle. So they will look at this chart, and then they draw the cup with handle, as you can see here, okay? And then by using the cup handle, which is a stronger formation of the flag pattern here, so the people, they can see, okay, where the market it will break it out. So when the market is breaking out here, and then they can take the distance from here down below here to up here, and then they can extend it for the next target. So the first group that's using flag pattern to take the profit here, but because the cup handle is stronger pattern, so the people, they can see that this is the next destination of the cup and handle pattern. That's where they are heading to. Okay, so you can see that they go right in here into this level here, which is the target there. All right, so this target here also a sell zone, okay, which is the market failed to go higher. So the chart I'm using here, you can see that the chart here we call a Sushi Chart. This is a proprietary chart from Stock Navigator that we created. So when they turn green, when they break this level here, they're coming down, and then they go back up. So the market is very bearish and now become more bullish. So when the market turn green here, everything will turn bullish. So the market shoot it up, and then you can, using a cup with handle pattern, you can predict where is the target. They also get in there, and this level here is also a sell zone. So that's why when the market hit to the level here, the whole move here is over. So you can see two patterns here, flag pattern, cup and handle. They always bring the stock up to this level here. So after another group of people, they can using, and some people, they can see that this one is like a parallel channel here. So when the market is in this parallel channel, and then you can have another parallel channel here to up here, and then it's also a potential of the target for this leg there. Okay, so this one here, they go back there, and this is a target. If the people like to do a channel trading, so this is another level of the target. So you can see here, within from here to here, you already have three patterns: flag pattern, cup and handle pattern, parallel channel. They also lead them to one direction and final target here. So after they get there, you also see that the market is losing momentum, and then the bull side, when the Sushi Chart tell them that this move is kind of exhausted. So now they turn yellow, and then they put one more leg up, and then they run out of gas. And some people see this one is at a head and shoulder pattern. So they create small head and shoulder pattern here. So when they break this level here, you can see that you can take a distance from here to here, and you extend it. This will be a target for this move there. Okay, so that's how it looks like here. So you can see this, and then you can extend this one here, down below here, and then it will get you down to this level here. As you can see there, it will be tight, you get you to this level right there. Okay, so that's why where the market will stop. So the first group of people, they believe in the head and shoulder pattern, and then they will take the profit there, as you can see. So the market will stop and try to rebound back to the upside, but they couldn't go higher because there's a lot of resistance from the left side there. So the market will continue to go down. So they continue to go down where they're going to stop. So this line here from the left here, which is they hold up for the cup with handle here, they will hold them and then bow back up. And then after they bow back up, and then you can see the market will create a diamond pattern right here. Okay, so this diamond pattern will hold them up for a while, and the Sushi Chart, they can tell them the market is in round sideways, no trend direction. So that's why the people, they can wait until they see a new potential setup. So as you can see here, when this diamond breaking out, it depends on what direction they are breaking out, and then you can see that when they're breaking out in this direction, it means that they try to bounce back up. But because this diamond is small diamond, so you can see that this right here only give them a maximum distance from here to here. They bring up distance from here, so they only bring up to this level here, and the market is turn around and move to the downside. Right? So when they break this level here, the thing is continue to low high low low, right? And then continue to break out this level to the market getting more bearish, as you can see, and then they continue to go down further, right? So let me clean this one up, and then you can see when they break this level here. So when they break this level here, and the people will looking for more further in the downside. So the Sushi Chart turned into red. They tell you that the market now become more bearish. So the whole thing they move down here. So as you look at this chart here, the people say, okay, when they break this level here, where is my potential target they were heading to? So by using a bigger formation, as you can see, I can draw for here, from here. So you see that this chart here, they come down, then pull back up, they make another nice pattern here, and a lot of people, they can not see this, but if you learning how to trade by the pattern, you can see very clearly. Okay, this is another cup with handle pattern they form over here, and then when they do this, all right, so you can see this pattern here, this is another cup with handle pattern form here. So when the market break this level here, a lot of people can say, oh, this one is head and shoulder. People see cup with handle, but the cup with handle is very clearly formed in a bigger manner here. So when this one break this level here, and you can using a distance from here down to here, okay, and then you can extend it from this level to this level here. They will bring you right into the destination down below here. Okay, so right there. Okay, so the market, it puts it right back into this level here, and then they stop and revert to the upside. And when you see that the market, they stop right here, and sometimes you can see that a lot of line that you'll be able to draw from the left, they will hold the market right into this level here, right? And then multiple things that happen at the same time. The market, it have a strong support here, and then they bounce strong back up to the upside, right? So by using a different market pattern here, we'll be able to see that the market give you a clearly, if you know how to draw the line, you have to analyze the chart, you can see that you know exactly where the market heading to, where the target they supposed to get in there. So that's how people say trading is an art. And the science part of the trading here is when you get in the trade, you know where your target, you know where your stop loss. That's the money management part. So the risk management, that's including the 5 entry, target, and the stop loss, and using market psychology and probability tools are considered to be a science. And if you understand more, which we teach deeply into the course, you know the market, they move into the wave. It's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Okay, so that's why you can see that a lot of things that I make the video for you, but if you understand those stuff, you know how to use the tool that we teach, and then you can predict where the market heading to. So that is the beauty of an art and the science of the trading. So that you can see that trading, they both art and the science. So, and this chart here, I prove it to you. If you see clearly, then we can say that trading is both an art and a science. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis here, and if you like those kind of technical analysis, please let me know so I can make more video for you. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.